Part of this issue is that the U.S. loses control, the U.S. government loses control in these foreign trials. I think what surprised us the most about this whole story is that there have always been some foreign clinical trials. That, on its face, is not new. What astonished us was the speed with which this has happened. The statistics that Juan quoted there at the beginning come from an Inspector General's report just released this last year. But the speed of this has actually accelerated very much in the last 5 to 10 years. It's not just Western Europe. It's parts of the former Soviet Republic.